In order to customize the search experience to your needs, the ACI Scholarly Blog Index provides several features to help you organize your research collection, and one of these is the ACI Lists feature. Lists and ACI allow you to create and organize collections for topical interests or for shared resources or activities. While bookmarks are ideal for independent posts you may want to revisit, the List feature allows you to aggregate saved articles in a number of ways that are meaningful to you. With lists, you can create and organize collections of relevant content for use in course assignments, group discussions, and other collaborative efforts. Your list tags will help you to organize your list, allowing you to classify that collection of posts according to terms you choose. Every list also has a list description. The list description provides general information about the list, such as the topics covered or the intended uses for that particular list. In addition, because lists can be private or public, you can also browse through lists created by others using the Search List tool on your list page. With ACI Lists, you can easily add any article to an existing list or create a new list for any post in the ACI Scholarly Blog Index, whether it's on an individual blog post page or on a search results page. On a search results page, to add a post to a list or to create a new list, click on the Details icon to the right of that post, and then click on Add to List. Because your list will be displayed, you can simply check the box or boxes of those lists that you want that article added to. You can then just click on Add to List, and those articles will be added to those collections. In addition, you can also create a new list by clicking on the Create New List button. When you create a new list, first give a descriptive title for your list, followed by a list description. An ideal list description will be concise and informative, giving you an idea of its contents or the intended use of that list. Next, you'll enter any desired tags that you want attached to that list. Tags help you to organize and classify your lists. You can use words or phrases for your tags, and ACI will also display your previously used tags to help you keep your list organized and relevant to you. Tags can be as broad or specific as you need them to be. For example, tags can reflect the post subject, a course ID, or even the name of a professor, discussion group, or project. Next, choose the desired privacy option for your list. Public lists will be searchable for ACI users. Remember that you can always return and change the privacy setting for any of your lists. Once you've set your list to public or private, just click on Create List. Remember that you can add posts to more than one list. With the options that you want to add that post to, just click on Add to List to then add that post to your list. You can also use ACI's Select tool to simultaneously add one or more posts to new or existing lists. Just check the posts you wish to add, and then click on Add to List at the top of the page. In addition, you can also add to a list or create a new list from an individual article page. To do this on the article page, click on the Add to List button above the article's abstract, and then follow the same steps to add that post to your list. Managing your lists is easy in ACI. To manage your list, visit your list page by clicking on the menu icon next to your name in the upper right corner, and then on Lists. On your list page, in the My List section on the left, you'll see the Owner tab that narrows your view to just the lists you've created, while the Following tab will display both the lists you've created and the lists you follow. A filled-in star icon indicates that you're following that list. Just click on the star to unfollow the list. To edit a list that you've created, click on the list that you'd like to edit. On the resulting list page, click on the Edit List Details button on the left. You can add more tags or delete existing tags by clicking on the X in the corner of that tag. You can also modify your list title, list description, and even your privacy settings. When you're done, just click Update. In the top left corner, you'll notice that there are several options for sharing the list or for saving to other applications, such as Evernote or ResearchGate. I can also print and send a permalink by email that will provide a direct link for recipients to access my shared list. Click on the Print Handout button next to Edit List Details to print or save a PDF handout that you can share with peers, colleagues, students, professors, and others that you may wish to subscribe to that list. The handout will include a QR code. Those wishing to subscribe to this list can simply scan the QR code on their mobile device, or they can visit the web address shown and search for the list title as displayed in the handout. On an individual list page, you can also use the Search List feature on the left to search for keywords or other search terms across the posts contained in that list. On this page, you can even limit your view to articles with a specific tag by clicking on the desired tag facet on the left. From here, I can then click again on the tag facet or on Clear Filters to remove that filtering option and return to a full collection of lists that I can then search or limit by tag on the left. Back on the list page, we can use the Search List feature to search all public lists. The Search List feature lets you discover content collected by others and follow the lists that they've created. Simply click on a star icon to the right of the list to follow that list, or click again to unfollow. Public lists with list names, list tags, descriptions, or article titles containing your search term will display on the page. You can also create a new list right from your list page. Just click on the orange Create a List button in the upper right, and then enter the details that will apply to your new list. Another helpful feature found on your list page is your ACI stream. The ACI stream displays a comprehensive view of all posts from your collection of lists, allowing you to easily see at a glance the posts and details for every list you follow or maintain in ACI. Your ACI stream lets you browse the content in your list, ordered by the most recently added post, but you can also search your ACI stream or refine your stream view by ownership, list, or tags. To access your lists at any time, just click on the menu icon next to your name in the upper right corner. Clicking on Lists will take you to your list page, where you can easily view or manage your lists, create new lists, or search public lists with the Search List tool. Take advantage of lists in ACI and start reaping the benefits of content curation and organization for credentialed blogs in your academic discipline.